Hi, Cindy Metz here with the Riesdorf Metz and Partners at Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty. I'd like to welcome you to 35031 North 81st Street in Scottsdale. I thought we'd start in the courtyard here because it's such a beautiful place. You can see they have a custom door, the gorgeous fountain, and there's even a wood-burning fireplace. Perfect place to have a glass of wine and start the party. You ready to go inside? Some of the things you're going to notice here are they did the Anderson windows. This is going to take you into the living room, dining room. So when you are entertaining, you can open those doors and people can congregate out in the front courtyard as well as the backyard. So got a beautiful custom door here, iron and glass. Come on in. One of the things you're going to notice about this home is it's very warm and inviting. Traditional design. They have a beautiful hardwood floor throughout. While we're here, I want to show you the office. Beautiful custom built-ins. I love how the printer is kind of hidden. There's file cabinetry. Just perfect for an executive. And it's very private up here at the front of the home. So the family room has been totally redone. We have a stone fireplace, beam ceilings, this gorgeous front panel for the entertainment center. Show you how this works. Kind of doubles over and then it pushes back. There you go, for your TV viewing. They have a bar over here, and that includes a beverage refrigerator down low, a wine cooler up high, lots of cabinetry for your glassware, and an Italian sink. They did a nice upgraded granite, and you can see there's a place to sit. So you can just pull up a seat and have a cocktail. Family room flows into the casual dining, and then this kitchen is to die for. They have spared no expense here. We've got a sub-zero refrigerator with built-ins, two-tone. They use the same ebony on the island, which is oversized. We've got a Viking 6-burner cooktop with a grill here. This is a custom copper backsplash with a hand-made tile backsplash as well. And we're going to carry on this way so you can see the formal space. This is your dining room, living room. Has those two Anderson doors that we had spoken about, French doors that open up to the courtyard. So when you're having a holiday dinner, people can easily flow inside and outside. The next stop is going to be the master, which is split from the secondary bedrooms. It's right across from the 4-car garage, which also is a bonus. Everybody has extra things, so a 4-car, even better. So here we are at the master retreat. Lots of windows for taking in the backyard views, easy access to the pool area, very spacious in size. Now we're going to go into the master bath. And one of the things that I want you to really see here is they did custom closets. We have a his and hers, just beautifully done. I'm sure you're looking forward to seeing the backyard, so let's take a look. It truly is special, very resort-like. So we've got an oversized covered patio, an outdoor kitchen. Let's take a look at that. Got an insulated beverage cooler, 6-burner grill, 2 burners for your beans and your corn if you're doing a cookout, refrigerator, sink. Comes around to this beautiful pool. Got fire pots for the evening and a nice ramada. This is one of my favorite places in the yard. You can see they have candles. This is such an intimate, cozy spot in the evening. Perfect place to kind of relax with your friends or your spouse, have a nice glass of wine. Once again, I'm Cindy Metz with Riesdorf Metz and Partners, and I want to thank you for looking at 35031 North 81st Street today. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at 602-803-2293. I would welcome any questions, and I would love to get you in to see this gorgeous home. Thank you.